Good night, English Library. Teacher Sonia Torres, Naomi, Francilara, Pedagogical y Technological University de Colombia. Years 2020. I am finding a look of when is quarantine. I am glad to look it leaks. Seven. What should one do? Obesity can increase a risk of serious symptoms of COVID-19. I must have an attitude and certain principle for keeping el working during the pandemic is some as to control wearing all kind of the time attitude. Her habits. If to have changed to get to look warranty, exercise can help you look warrant faster. Early diet. Early diet should be first set to wearing lots. Vegetables, water, simple food, sugar, fats, fruit, animal food, legumes, oils and nuts. I can lose weight. I can definitely do fat for my hair. Could start tomorrow of July. I am with better. I cannot bear rain, chili, king smoking, even rice habits. I must visit my family. Recommendation. Healthcare cannot be neglected in quarantine. Example, hard work. I can exercise 5 minutes a day for school. I must not exceed 2,800 and 2,200 calories daily. Stress y obedience. I can relax my mind. Listen to music. I must calm this anxiety. Should avoid look at TV for a long time. I will start today. I am hard to work to achieve normal weight. Thank you. Very